Brittany with WTI, and this is my friend Jazzy. And the thing that she is very interested in right now is her salmon chews by Zesty Paws. What I absolutely love about these is she has issues with her skin of being a little bit too itchy, and because she has so much fur, we really need to take good care of her coat. It's very easy to crumble. You don't have to give it to her all in one. What we do is that we crumble it up and we put it in her food, so it encourages her to eat it in its entirety. And honestly, it makes her want to gobble her food up even more because she loves the taste of it. She loves salmon, and it's great for her heart. It's great for her skin. It's great for her joints. It's just an overall great thing to have. Now, I love this, Jazzy loves this, and it's so important to have things that are going to be good for your dog's overall health. And that's my point of view.